You want him to be red? Look, how do you want to decorate your snowman? That's good. You want to pour the sprinkles on your snowman? Good job. Right here. No, over here. Right here. Pour the sprinkles. Whoa, good job, baby.
This is our first Christmas.
Say Merry
in
Christmas.
Forte. Look at Daddy.
Look at Daddy, baby. Say Merry Christmas. Good job.
We have decided to start some new traditions. We're gonna make Christmas cookies together. Yay! And while we're making Christmas cookies, we're gonna listen to Wham.
That is true Christmas. Here, Chevy, do you want to spread the icing on? No, you just want to eat it? You broke your snowman.
Can you say hi to everybody? Say Merry Christmas. Say Happy Birthday, Jesus.
Good job. Merry Christmas.
Bye-bye.